turning back now. Driving somewhere in the morning. My world is slowly burning now. I leave my mother, love and